What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash rewards, get down to the description box and click on that MooMoo link. Open up your MooMoo account today. If you put $100 in it, you're going to get 30 free cash dollars plus 5 free stocks. If you put $1,000 in that new MooMoo brokerage account, you're going to get the $30 cash reward plus 15 free stocks, publicly traded companies. Don't delay, act today, limited time offer. Get down in the description box, click on that MooMoo link. Go get that free stock, go get that free money. I can also send you a couple of MooMoo tutorial videos. All you got to do is email me through my website, www.richardfay.net. Let me know you opened the MooMoo account. Let me know you funded it. And I'm going to go ahead and send you those tutorial videos so that you can get on your way to building yourself some wealth. These next 5 months are going to be amazing in my opinion, guys. The stock market and the crypto market, both are doing extremely well, guys. Let me just dive into the headline and we'll talk about both of those. Dow Jones, 300-point jump to close at 44,000 points. What? For the first time as Trump enthusiasm continues. This Trump enthusiasm thing, guys, is got all growth assets going crazy, man. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Get in where you fit in. The Dow Jones Industrial Average surged more than 300 points on Monday and closed at a record high as the benchmark's post-election rally pressed forward. Goodness gracious, 44,000 points. The S&P 500 added 0.1% to end the day at 6,001.35 points. Over 6,000 points, guys. Once again, first time in history of the S&P 500 index, it's done that, right? So all good stuff. The NASDAQ, however, hovered near the flat line, up 0.06%. to 19,298.76. Again, 19,000 points in the NASDAQ is a first. So all three major indexes are certainly taking advantage of the Trump re-election and the hype that's around all of that, right? JP Morgan Chase and Goldman Sachs popped 1% and 2.2% respectively to lead the Dow higher. Bank of America and Citibank shares both closed up about 2%. The cohort has posted sharp gains since Donald Trump's election win last week, as investors hope this return to the White House could lead to easier regulation of the banking sector. Elsewhere, meme stock favorite GameStop surged 10%. Ain't that a name from the past? That even surged on the whole Trump rally, right? GameStop, man. Tesla soared more than 9%, also adding to its post-election gain. But it was an exception among large technology stocks, with Apple slipping nearly 2%. Peers, Microsoft and Amazon were roughly 1% lower each. Small caps advanced, with the Russell 2000 climbing 1.47%. So some might say rotation out of big tech back into small caps, right? And, you know, one of the reasons for that is typically small caps benefit from interest rate reductions more so than large cap, right? Or mega caps. So you may see some investors rotating back into small cap to take advantage of these interest rate reductions, right? I don't know, just my speculation, but I wouldn't give up on big tech. At least I'm not. I still think big tech has a lot of room to run over the next month and a half. So personally, I'm staying in big tech. Bitcoin surged above 87,000 per coin, boosted by hopes of deregulation as well. Crypto-related stocks, Coinbase and Myra Holdings rallied 20% and 30% respectively. Woo! This Trump phenomenon, as it relates to growth investments, guys, is bonkers. You're talking about Coinbase and Myra Holdings up 20 and 30%. I mean, Tesla's up 60%. I mean, from a week ago, you could have bought Tesla at $250 a share prior to the election. I'm talking about day of the election. And since then, it's rallied $100 per share. Why is that happening? In my opinion, it's happening because of Elon's strategic move to support President Trump. That's what I think it is, right? I mean, Tesla's still the same company. I mean, don't get me wrong, it had a good earnings report. The last earnings reports were decent, but it wasn't $100 per share decent. A lot of that is just FOMO, enthusiasm, and him backing the right candidate and having that friendship with Donald Trump, I think is driving a lot of Tesla's recent success. That's just my opinion. The Republicans' decisive win has ignited animal spirits. Despite already lofty expectations, Morgan Stanley Wealth Management Chief Investment Officer said this on Monday. Rather than viewing developments as a fundamental shift towards the reflationary, no landing scenario, we see sentiment and liquidity-driven positioning for what it is, and we are maintaining our balanced stance. Everybody's getting in line, guys, for this whole Trump stock market, crypto market, real estate market, all assets, all growth assets market run. Everybody's putting, well, I ain't gonna say everybody. I'm getting in position. There's a lot of other people getting in position. The question is, are you getting in position? Do not miss this financial moment, guys. We don't get many. We do not get many. Don't miss it. These next 5 months, I keep telling y'all, November, December, January, March, and April, those 5 months are getting ready to go crazy. Again, not a financial advisor, not trying to tell you what to do, but just giving you my prediction. Just giving you my opinion based on 30 years of doing this, investing on my own in big boy blue chip, paper assets, real estate for income, and businesses. I've been doing this for a long time. And I've seen this type of FOMO and enthusiasm before. Now, will it last? Probably not. That's why I'm telling you, while the getting is good, make a decision. Figure out what you want to do. Figure out what you're trying to get accomplished financially and get in where you fit in. First thing you need to do is get down to that description box and click on that MooMoo link. Open up that MooMoo account and get yourself up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash reward. Now you're in a position to take advantage of a company like Tesla, if that's what you decide to do. A company like NVIDIA, if that's what you decide to do. Any of the hyperscalers, the mega caps, right? Any of the banks that are, you see what the banks did today. I mean, they're starting to explode a little bit. You may even want to take advantage of crypto, even though you guys know I'm not a crypto guy. And I think it's a legalized Ponzi scheme, but come on, guys. 2 years, it's 5x'd itself. You got to understand, in November 2022, Bitcoin was trading at $17,000 a coin. Today, it topped out at $87,000 a coin. That's more than a 5x, guys. And again, while the getting is good, you may want to think about some of these things that I've talked about. Again, I'm not a proponent for crypto, and I'm not telling you to go buy crypto because I'm not buying it. Other than what the little meme coins I got. I'm not buying, I'm the traditional guy. But I'm not going to tell people that crypto can't make a money if they know what they're doing, right? Because it can, even though I believe there's a pump that's happening right now, and eventually there will be a dump. So just know what you're doing if you're going to get yourself into crypto. www.richardfain.net is the website address. Guys, go check out my website. Over 400,000 of you guys have already done that. So thank you. A lot of you guys have decided to make an investment in yourself and grab some of those digital products that I got. They will change your financial life, guys, so check them out. Also, while you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. 1,000+ of us in 6 months, and we're loving it. We only help each other build wealth. That's it, right? We're not experts. We just add value through dropping golden nuggets, tips, best practices, what's working, what's not working, and we provide a safe environment for beginners to very experienced investors to all commingle together and exist together in a positive community, right? If you want to be a part of that, click on that join button or that membership button inside the website. It'll take you over to Patreon. Sign up. Don't miss these next 5 months, guys. I think it's going to be tremendous. So looking forward to having you in the Wealth Builders. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, can hold it in your hands, you guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.